The preamble to the Indian Constitution is a brief introductory statement that outlines the guiding principles, values, and objectives of the Constitution. It serves as a roadmap for the Constitution, establishing the fundamental ideals upon which the nation is built. It expresses the aspirations of the people of India and provides the context for the structure of the Constitution. Text of the Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, fraternity assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly this 26th day of November, 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Key features of the Preamble. 1. We, the people of India. The Preamble begins with the phrase, "We, the people of India," which signifies that the Constitution derives its authority from the people of India. It reflects the idea of popular sovereignty, meaning that the government's legitimacy comes from the consent of the governed. 2. Sovereign. The term sovereign implies that India is independent and has the ultimate authority over its affairs, free from any external control. It denotes India's power to make its own laws, formulate policies, and govern itself without interference from foreign powers. 3. Socialist. The inclusion of the word socialist in the preamble was added by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. It reflects India's commitment to achieving social and economic equality. The state aims to reduce economic disparities and ensure the welfare of all citizens, especially the disadvantaged sections. 4. Secular. The term secular indicates that the Indian state does not favor any religion. The state maintains neutrality in religious matters and ensures freedom of religion to all citizens. It ensures that no individual is discriminated against based on their religion or beliefs. 5. Democratic. India is a democracy, meaning the government is elected by the people through periodic elections. The preamble emphasizes that the people of India are the ultimate source of political power, and that the country follows a system of governance based on democratic principles. 6. Republic. The word republic signifies that India does not have a monarchy or hereditary rulers. The head of the state is elected, and the President of India is chosen by the people through an electoral process. Objectives of the Preamble. The Preamble outlines the objectives and values that the Indian Constitution seeks to achieve. These are: 1. Justice. The Constitution aims to ensure justice in all forms, social, economic, and political. It strives to eliminate social inequalities and discrimination and ensure fairness in the application of laws and in society at large. Social justice refers to eliminating caste, race, and gender-based inequalities. Economic justice ensures that wealth and resources are distributed equitably. Political justice guarantees the right to vote and participate in the political process. 2. Liberty. The Constitution guarantees liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. It allows individuals the freedom to express their opinions, follow the religion of their choice, and live without fear of repression or tyranny. The inclusion of liberty ensures that citizens can pursue their own happiness and contribute freely to society. 3. Equality. The principle of equality seeks to provide all citizens with equal status and opportunity. It ensures that there is no discrimination based on religion, caste, gender, or race. It promotes equality before the law and equal access to opportunities, particularly in areas like education, employment, and social participation. 4. Fraternity. The word fraternity refers to a sense of brotherhood and unity among the people of India. It calls for the cultivation of mutual respect, dignity, and a spirit of brotherhood among all citizens, irrespective of their differences. The concept of fraternity aims to ensure that there is a bond of unity among the people, promoting national integration and cohesion. It also ensures the dignity of individuals, empowering every citizen with self-respect. Interpretation of the Preamble by the Judiciary. The Preamble plays an important role in interpreting the Constitution. Although the Preamble is not legally enforceable in itself, it provides guidance for understanding the Constitution's provisions. It is a key to the Constitution's spirit and helps to interpret the intent of the framers of the Constitution. In the case of Kesavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala, 1973, the Supreme Court of India ruled that the Preamble is an integral part of the Constitution and that it reflects the values and vision of the Constitution's framers. In the case of Union of India versus Navin Jindal, 2004, the Supreme Court held that the Preamble is a guiding light and can be used to interpret the provisions of the Constitution. Amendment of the Preamble. While the Preamble itself is not amendable, the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976 made changes to the words used in the Preamble. The most notable change was the addition of the words socialist and secular. This amendment reflected the desire to create a society based on social justice and equality, and a state free from religious bias. This act redefined the social and political objectives in the Indian context. Significance of the Preamble. 1. Source of authority. The Preamble establishes that the Constitution derives its authority from the people of India, making it a reflection of democratic values. 2. Guiding principles. It serves as the foundation for the interpretation of the Constitution. The values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity guide the country's laws and policies. 3. Reflection of national ideals. The Preamble reflects the dreams and aspirations of the people of India. It upholds ideals such as national unity, equality, and justice, which are crucial in the country's quest for social harmony. 4. Basis for judicial review. Courts in India often refer to the Preamble when interpreting the Constitution. It helps the judiciary understand the intent of the Constitution's framers, especially when interpreting ambiguous provisions.